Now I wanted to show you some of my animals. Obviously, the kitties are in my snake room. They don't mind the snakes. That's a Hypo-Honduran milk snake. Just shed its skin back there in the corner. Of course, there's my albino Burmese mixed with the Indian python. And there's my tangerine and tip for Ghost. She was in the process of shedding her skin. I don't know if she's got quite got it all off yet. This is basically crickets. That's all it is crickets. That's basically my tarantula's food. Fat cat eating. And there's snake food. Trying to get him to breed, but no luck yet. This future breeders, rats, I'm hoping to get the breed, make some babies. And you get the rare look at the spider out of the hiding, not in his log. Yes, it is alive. I'll show you that. Watch. See? No, it ain't dead, for sure.